Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to introduce our visit to Arabian ceramic manufacturer, supervised by Dr. Murad Andijani. We are Group 3. I am Abdullah Al-Qutb. My teammates Sohaib Bashauri and Sultan Thabit. First of all, about the company. Arabian Ceramics Manufacturing Company is located at Industrial Zone in Jeddah, established in 2006 on 200,000 square meters to produce best type of ceramics and porcelain to feed Saudi market and compete all foreign imported ceramics to the local market with 4 production lines and a daily production up to 45,000 square meters. The manufacturer contains 120 laborers and working 24/7, that's mean all year, except turning off the production line for maintenance and fixing. We can start from the process 1. Process 1 starts from raw material arrive. The raw material arrive from local suppliers. It contains clay, sand, and dolomite. Second step is testing material. Testing material to ensure the high quality and to avoid wasting time, manpower, and material. Third step is mixing all materials together to start production. Fourth step is to compute all the formulas. Fifth step is breaking and grinding. And this step is to add water and chemicals for 45 minutes. Then use sieve to filter the material to avoid any large particles to go through the sieve. Sixth step is stored to make it viscous enough so that reach to 1650 kilogram per liter. And the last step at process 1 is spraying and draining. So in this step, the heating, the raw material, and the temperature is reached like about 580 to transfer it from liquid to solid. And now my teammate Sultan is going to continue.
Second process, shaping and finishing, from powder to ceramic. First phase is the hydraulic press that has pressure power of 300 bar force. Second phase, paint and printing. This section has the most annual developments. The process in this phase is top surface cleaning phase with zero waste. Then spray the water to close press to be perfectly homogeneous. Third, apply the liner and the glaze, and then the color if needed. Then we have the oven. This third phase, in the oven, they do the heating, then burning until the glaze melts. First at 600 Celsius, second at 1150 Celsius. Then they go to cooling. The temperature is cooling down from 1150 Celsius to 400 Celsius. This whole process takes around 32 minutes. Then we have the last phase is sorting and packaging. Sorting and packaging comes in 3 grades. First grade has no defect. Second grade has few manufacturing defects. The third grade is rejected. So all these 3 grades have the same strength, but the difference are in size, weight, and design. Then we have the SWOT analysis. SWOT strength, the strength they have raw material are local, that helps the reducing the time, waiting time. Laboratory examine, efficiency in producing. Weaknesses, messy manufacturing and noisy, a lot of machines works at the same time. That can affect the that can affect on human. And also the high temperature. Opportunities, less wasting, produce products globally, plan for a higher market share. So the last is threats. supplies delayed, then couldn't keep ISO certifications for next years. These are the threats they have. So now I'll leave you with my colleague Suhaib.
Assalamu alaikum. The manufacturer using industrial engineering applications such as supply chain by getting raw material locally and in a systematic way. Second, we have a simulation that used through a small production line in the lab to make sure that material and machines are compatible to end the product in the best way. Then we have quality and design experiment by examining samples to keep the quality high to meet customer satisfaction and reach the manufacturing requirements. Last, we have the operation management by changing 8 production lines, that's the old system, to 4 production lines to a new system with the same production capacity to work in an efficient way by reducing labor's number, electricity consumptions, and manufacturing area. Recommendation: the company needs to improve and focus more on safety in the manufacture, such as involve employee in safety planning, provide a clear work area, create a safe work area. Since the manufacturer is a very hot company, should install air conditioning system all around the manufacturer that can reduce the high temperature. The manufacturer is not clean, so it's needed more cleanliness. That unclean floors can affect employees' life because of the chemical and raw material. Thank you.